Hey guys, and welcome back to Shan Studio. So today's video is big chop day. Yes, I big chopped my hair at the beginning of this year. In January I had my hair cut off. I'm back on my natural journey, so I am actually here with another video because I'm doing my big chop, and I actually had perm my natural hair. So my hair is perm, but it's been natural since about February 23rd. Was when I had my other hair, when I had my hair permed again, and I actually cut my hair back into the short style. So I am finally actually big chopping off. So I've been transitioning now for like a couple of months. So today I am actually finally big chopping off all the hair that is permed off my natural hair. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm about to take this wig off. Y'all don't mind what my hair look like underneath here. I'm gonna show you, and this is what my hair looks like. I feel like I'm going bald. So I am going to literally take out my hair. Well, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit, take out my hair a bit on camera. And I decided to cut my hair. I wanted a change for my birthday at the beginning of the year, because as you know, I'm a January Aquarius baby, so I needed a change, a big girl growing change. But the thing is that I realized that being in Canada and to find like more natural salons and to maintain your hair and try not to have your hair pretty much ripping out through the winter time, I usually have to do protective styles. So wearing wigs, like whether I have braids, twist outs, just doing something. So this is what my hair looks like. And if you guys had seen if you guys check out my other channel, which is the Williams family, you will actually see vlogs on there of me going through the process and actually having my hair cut in Jamaica. So I went, and my hair was very long, but what happened was my hair, I went to the hairdresser and over here and had my hair flat ironed, and when I had my hair silk press, it literally did not go back. I guess it was overheat. The silk press it damaged my hair. So because it damaged my hair, and I was growing my hair for a long time, and even before that I had big chopped I think 3 times in between, and then I ended up having to, even when I silk press, I ended up chopping off a lot of my hair, because I had the before pictures and after I actually silk press, and I had to cut off a lot. And then I realized that my curl pattern wasn't the same after I silk press, and my hair was falling out. So because of that, it was dreadful, like literally dreadful, guys. My hair was just shedding everywhere. Every time like I showered, it was falling out. It's almost like postpartum shedding I had. That's how bad it was. So I just ended up saying, you know what, I'm going to cut it. And I told hubby I was going to cut my hair, because I was like, I just needed a change and I need to start from scratch. Even the hairdresser was like, wow, you're cutting all that hair, your hair is so good. But I was like, it's damaged, there's no point on saving it. And she's like, you know, most people when they come and they've been growing their hair natural for so long and come and get it cut, they literally cry. But like it is, it's just hair, it'll grow back. And hey, I got wigs. There's plenty of different style. You can wear your hair up in one, you go one-y. There's so much different style to wear your hair in. So today I am going to cut it all off, because even my daughter was like, oh mom, you're cutting your hair again. But I need to cut it, like, see all here. So this is all the straight hair from the style. I had a short, almost like pixie cut. So if you guys actually go, if you're not subscribed to my main channel, which is the family vlog channel, you can definitely check that out as well, the Williams fam. And this channel is just more like hair, lifestyle, beauty stuff, girl talk, anything on this channel. So yes, so I'm gonna finish loose out my hair, and then I will be back to show you guys what it looked like, and then we're gonna wet it up and we're gonna do the big chop on camera with you guys. So, and what, we're in November, so this is gonna be my journey of regrowing my hair. So you guys will come along with me through the journey, and yeah, so I'll definitely take you guys through that. So let me go finish combing it, taking it out, and I'll be back. I finished loosening out my hair, and this is what it looks like. See, like even the, well, the style looks good. I could literally just leave it like this as a nice braid out. So as I said, I had it really short, and all back here is all natural. So I'm going to comb out all my hair, and I have some homemade products that I make myself. I'm going to put in it to give it that nice, and then to see where the curls are, and then I'm going to cut my hair, and then I am going to jump in the shower and wash it. But maybe I'll do a treatment first, and then I will come back and show you guys. And I'm actually trying out this curling product. So, and usually I don't put any heat, like I don't use blow dryer on my hair or anything. So I will definitely show you guys what it looks like. But oh my goodness, as you see, I am finished right here, and this is my hair. Look, you can see all this dead. So this is all the hair that's going to be cut off. And I'm going to start with this side, and usually you would use a stylus scissors, but I'm just using what I have for now, and I'm going to cut it, and then basically I will go wash out my hair, and if I need to cut it again, I will cut it after. Okay, so down here is fine, so it's just right here. So I would go, and I'm just cutting. I do my front. Alright, so you see all of that, guys, look at that. And I could see literally, without even stretching my hair, I know exactly where I need to cut. So all this is going. You can see I've cut off all the dead ends. Oh my gosh, this is what my hair looks like at the moment. I probably still have some that needs to be cut off, so I am going to go hop in the shower now and wash it out, and I'm gonna come back and style my short hair. I got this new product by this black owned company that made it in Canada, made this hair product in Canada, and yeah, I'm also going to be doing my review on it, so stay tuned. I bought a couple of things, so I'm definitely gonna see it and see how it enhances my curls when I am finished. So I'm gonna hop in the shower now and wash out my hair. So I am back. I just finished washing my hair and got out of the shower, and this is what my hair looks like. Oh my goodness. So it's all cut off, and this is all natural, and this is only from growing my hair from March. So this is what it looked like. So today's video, I'm actually testing out these new products that I got that's supposed to help to define curl, and it's called Earth Stone. So Earth Stone, so it's natural Earth Stone, and it's curl define, and this is a curl enhancer jelly, and this is from a Canadian black owned business. I'm not sure if you guys can see the name of it. There you go, there you go. So you guys could actually go and Google them. I just find this company, it was recommended to me by somebody, a hairstylist, and they said to test them out. So I went, and as you could see, that's what the inside looks like. Well, my daughter got into it. So that is the Curl Define Curl Enhanced Jelly, and this one is the Curl Define Max. And this is also an enhanced jelly, and this one's a little bit different, so I'll show you. This one has a little bit more. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So your girl is going to test this out, and they said it's great for twist out, braid out, leave out, wash and go. So I'm definitely going to try this in my hair now and see how it goes. So I'm gonna start with the back because my hair pretty much dry really quick. So I'm gonna go with this one. So if you guys can see, so it's kind of, yeah, so that's the way the product is. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start from my top. Oh, look at that. And then I'm gonna just use my hand and finger and then see if I could define my curl just by using my hand that way. Oh, look at that, guys. So I'm going to, yeah, see how this product works. And I will definitely use it and let you guys know if you want to find out how good it works. Oh, all I know, it just, and it smells so good, guys. If you can just smell the smell of it. Oh, I'm like already pasting it all over my hair. So this is supposed to define your curl and leave it as defined as it is. So I'm going to, so let me just try and do the back, and then I'm going to use the other one for the front so you guys can see what it looks like. Don't mind the noise in my background. Hubby is doing some work. Okay, so this is the other one. This is just a curl define. The other one was the curl define max, and then if you look, this one, it's just a little bit different. I know, see, so it stretches, it's a little bit different, but still works good. And I'm going to do the front. Let me do a section, the front section of my hair. So let's do the front section. Let me see, I'll do a good size. So I'll do a good side section like this at the front, and I'm going to use it and see how this bad boy works. So I'm just gonna do kind of, this is gonna be like my wash and go. So we'll see how it works. So there you go. And now I'm pretty much, so I've rubbed all the product through my hair. As you can see, I'm just waiting for it to dry. So I just decided to give myself a side part. But if you have a diffuser, you can use a diffuser on here, or you could sit and let it dry. And definitely I could say it's different. So I use a lot of product in my hair, so that's why it is still so white, because I use a bunch of product in my hair. So I'm just waiting for it to actually dry. And yeah, so while it's drying, I'm just going to, while my hair is drying, I am just going to style my edges and lay the part that I want laid down so it stays, so then it will dry that way. So that is what I am currently doing right now. You see me with my little edge comb brush here, and I'm just waiting for it to dry. And when it's dry, I will definitely come back and show you guys the finished product. But this is it so far, top, bottom. This is what it looks like. And as you see, it did define my curls. If you look, it definitely did its job. I could see that. So I'm just gonna let it dry, because you can see the product is still in my hair, a lot of it. So I'm gonna let it finish dry, and when it dry, I will come back and show you guys the finished product. Yeah, so far so nice. It's nice, I like it. I could say this is the shortest I've had my hair in a long time, in years. I have not had my hair this short or cut in such a short style. I actually came back to close off the video. My hair is almost dry. It's still a bit wet, as you can see, but your girl's curls are popping, and like, I literally love it. So far so good, and it's good. This product is actually good for like actually laying your edges, or if you want to do like, I guess, a slick down, put your hair in one type of deal. So and it definitely defines my curl, so I can't complain. You see that? I know, shrinkage, eh? Major shrinkage. But your girl hair has definitely grown, and like I said, out with the old, in with the new. So I just wanted to come back and close off this video. Yeah, I just wanted to come back and close off this video and said I hope you guys like my big chop with me for the end of 2020. So you know, it's almost, well, we have a month left until the new year, right? So I'm gonna switch up some things and get it in. So definitely stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, if you guys have any video suggestion on things that you guys want to see, what products I use in my hair, definitely let me know. I will be doing a protective style as it's winter in Canada, so I generally don't leave my natural hair out. And since my hair is so short as well, I probably have it in a protective style in most cases. But for the days that I don't, I will definitely come and I could do another wash and go with you guys. I could do some short hairstyles if you guys would like to see that. But thank you guys so much for joining me today on my big chop. I hope you guys like this video, and don't be scared to chop it all off and start fresh. It's better that you do and make your hair healthy than to hold on to all that dead hair that you're gonna shed like a dog anyways, right? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and to tell a friend to come and join the Shan Studio gang over here. I'm always trying to like level up, give you guys some good content, good videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my main vlog channel, my family vlog channel, which is called the Williams Family, you can also go over there and check us out on that side and say hello, you're from Shan Studio. And well, if you're from the Williams family in here, welcome, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will have a try on haul coming up soon, so definitely stay tuned for that video as well, and some other gems dropping for you guys as well. I will talk to y'all in the next one. Peace, guys.